Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 154 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it is absolutely fantastic. It is such a great devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 154. Relax in my healing, holy presence. Be still while I transform your heart and mind. Let go of cares and worries so that you can receive my peace. Cease striving and know that I am God. Do not be like Pharisees who multiplied regulations, creating their own form of godliness. They got so wrapped up in their own rules that they lost sight of me. Even today, man-made rules about how to live the Christian life enslaves many people. Their focus is on their performance rather than on me. It is through knowing me intimately that you become like me. This requires spending time alone with me. Let go, relax, be still, and know that I am God. Now that was short and sweet, but it was very, very sweet. Be still while I transform your heart and your mind. Let go of cares and worries so that you can receive my peace. Even today, man-made rules about how to live the Christian life enslave many people. Their focus is on their performance rather than on me. It is through knowing me intimately that you become like me. This requires spending time alone with me. So good. Cease striving and know that I am God. Stop trying to do it yourself. Stop. It is not about you or me. It's not about us at all. It has everything to do with God and what God can do in your life and through you. When you hear words like transform or heal and it's talking about your heart and your mind, it literally means to transform your heart and your mind. When you give your heart to God, it changes everything. It literally will change your life. I've said that many times throughout this devotional, but I cannot say it enough. It's not about us, guys. It is all about God. So just stop trying. Stop trying to fix it yourself. And I know that's hard to do. Trust me. I know. I'm a fixer. I like to fix things immediately. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, we got this. Everything's going to be fine. Now let's figure out what we need to do to fix it. That's me. That's totally in my DNA. But I know better. There are some things that we just can't do. I really hope that y'all cannot hear this dog snoring. Can y'all hear that? I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear that or not, but I hope so, because she is seriously snoring. Anyways, back to the devotional. It's just not about us. It is all about what God can do in our life and through us. Like I said, I'm a fixer. I like to fix things. But I know better. I know to go to God first. Give the problem to God. And then let God tell me how to fix it. Let God work through me to fix it. I hope all of this makes sense, because it's very, very important. It has nothing to do with us. It says, be still and know that I am God. You can't do it yourself. We weren't designed that way. So good. Okay, let's do the verses. There's a fly in here and it is getting on my nerves. Okay. Cease striving and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Psalms 46:10. Now that is the NASB version. So the King James version of that verse says, be still and know that I am God. And if you've been watching this devotional any amount of time, you'll know that that is my absolute favorite verse. That was the very first verse that I wrote in our new house on the headers. That was the very first one I wrote, because that is my absolute favorite verse, because I feel like it just sums it all up. It sums it all up. Just be still. Stop trying to do it yourself. And let God do what God does best. So good. Okay. Woe to you, teachers of the law and Pharisees, you hypocrites. You shut the kingdom of heaven. You shove the kingdom of heaven in men's faces. You yourselves do not enter, nor will you let those enter who are trying to. Matthew 23:13. Dear friends, now we are children of God, and what will we be has not yet been made known. Let me start over. I got mixed up on that one. Let me start over. Dear friends, now we are children of God, and what will we, this is hard to say, and what we will be has not yet been made known. But we know that when he appears, we shall be like him. We shall see him as he is. 1 John 3:2. So good. Relax in my healing, holy presence. Healing. It means exactly what the word literally means. Healing. Be still while I transform your heart and your mind. Let go of cares and worries so that you can receive my peace. So good. Give it to God. Just give it to God. Don't let that just be a phrase that's on t-shirts and on bumper stickers and whatever. Literally give it to God. Lay it at his feet and leave it there. So, so good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so, so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.